Rashid Echesa uria wari minista wa mathako niakinyirio igoti-ini inene ria Kiambu mbere ya mucirithania Patricia Gicohi thutha wake guikio ngono ni maabithaa a ugitiri muthe wa gatano kiumia kihituku. Echesa akũrĩirwo maitho nĩ thitango cia kũguraria abithaa wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC thutha wake kuoneka mbica-inĩ ya video akĩruta abithaa ucio karembeko na kũmũgũtha rũhĩ. Ihĩtia rĩngĩ athitangĩirwo nĩ rĩa gutumura nguui hĩndĩ ya githurano kinini kia Matungu muthe wa kana kiumia kihituku kĩrĩa gĩacindirwo nĩ kĩama kĩa ANC.
I also intend to charge the respondent with other offenses like assault, creating disturbance, among other offenses.
They are asking for 4 days to investigate this matter. What have they done in the meantime? Wasted 4 days by coming to Nairobi. 4 days. But they want to fit in the story and tell you the accused person was arrested. The accused person was never arrested at any particular time. He presented himself as when he was asked to.
So there is nothing, Your Honor. They are just misleading the court, which is very bad. Let them investigate the case of assault. And the case of assault doesn't need rocket science, Your Honor. You don't need to keep somebody for another 24 hours to investigate assault. You only need the person who was assaulted, the P3, and the police officer will investigate.
Ihoya rĩa mawakiri ma Echesa kũria arekererio na bodi nĩ rĩgũthire ihiga thutha wa mũcirithania gwathana acokio thero-inĩ Gigiri na agacokio muthe wa rũciũ nĩguo igoti rĩgatua kana nĩ akarekererio na bodi kana ca.
I remand the suspect at Gigiri police station until tomorrow at 11 a.m. for that ruling, so that I can finish with all the work I have. Doing the ruling now would mean I step out, do the ruling, come back. In the meantime, what happens to the others? We have the challenge with the system, our own system. So the longer you take with the pleas, the worse it is for those ones who want to deposit cash bills and fines.
Mawakiri ma Echesa ningĩ nĩ moigĩte kũrĩ na kĩriga kĩa ũrĩa Echesa akinyĩte igoti-inĩ rĩa Kiambu handũ ha igoti-inĩ rĩa Naikuru gũkũ mwena wa thitango ũkiuga Echesa arĩ na mahĩtia ma gũthararia ithurano na agĩrĩirwo gũkuua mũrigo wake.
A matter that occurred in Kameme, why is it being brought to Nairobi? That is one thing they needed to tell you. And this is the question the court will ask itself. A matter that is of a different jurisdiction, why is it being brought to your jurisdiction? So how are they assuming the accused person, there is a suspect, is going to threaten people who we do not know whether they exist or not? And then the question would be, Your Honor, is that the only solution to keep him in custody?
Echesa ti mũgeni na nguui kuona nĩ ikĩtio ngono mwaka wa 2019 thutha wa gwĩkũĩrwo nĩ acogeire nguui mwena wa Kakamega kũrĩa andũ 13 makuire. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, Njeta Gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.